But there's a young man there, Pastor Victor is a witness. When God plans your life, you have not even entered your mother's womb. When he finished planning it, he will now choose the individuals he will use at various stages of your life. The man I'm about to bring here, even if you don't believe in miracle before, when you look at him, you will know he is a miracle. I've been here since January 12, 1970. I saw Speak. I saw Zamani Lekwet, Suleiman Saidi. I saw Melford Okilo. I saw Police Commissioner Fidelis Oyakilo. I saw Godwin Abbey, Tony Uko, Adelele. I saw them. I saw Shehu Musa. I saw Ewan. I saw Adajog. I saw Peterobi. I saw Rotimi Amechi. I saw Celestine Omehia. I saw Yerishi. Every one of them are children of destiny that appear in a season to surprise people. As of last year, nobody knew that this man was going to be the governor. When it comes to politicians in this state, there are timbers and caliber. But when God wants to choose you, sometimes he goes to the back of the desert, where you are just there taking care of sheep and counting figures. While you are doing 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. God is planning something else. And we just woke up one morning and heard one name. When we did a background check on him, we found his middle name to be Joseph. So no wonder. There's a covenant name there. And today, from being a civil servant, he is now a political leader. It's my pleasure, Royal House of Grace, to welcome Amen. Joseph.